Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello at Your World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert Pyramid SmartArt Graphics in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word file which we can work it easily. So here already I have opened it before. So go to and press the insert option. So here the SmartArt option has been here. So here the pyramid. So click here. So here the multiple pyramid option has been here. So if we click this, see the basic pyramid, this is the inverted, this is the pyramid list, here the segmented pyramid. So if we can take the segmented, so here the explanation or definition about this picture. So used to, that means actually how and why we use this picture. So used to show contaminated proportional or interconnected relationships. The first 9 lines of level 1 text appear in the triangular shapes. Unused text doesn't appear but remains available if you switch layouts. Works best level 1 text only. So we want to take this and press OK. See, the picture has been revealed in this page. So we can change. Before that we will do the things what layout options. So if we press this, then we can move it easily with writing part. See, we can move. Now we can change. So color change. See, we can easily change the color. See, color. We want the smart art style. So click here. Lots of style has been. See the lots of style as well as 3D. See the 3D. See the 3D option. Now we will do the formats. Here the formats we can change layout. If we give the black side black, we can increase the layout option. See, increase. We can give the shape effect. See, variable, soft edge, glow, reflection. So lots of thing has been here. See, glow. See, also do this 3D rotation, then we'll get it properly. See. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.